our first artists that we loved were Somali artists.
That's what our parents listened to in the house.
Yeah, and Sada Ali is an artist who we really loved. She passed away some years ago, God rest her soul, but she was somebody that I feel like I learned how to sing listening to her songs. Just having that upbringing and then, being introduced to, Whitney Houston and Mariah Carey and just all these artists in the West was just, it's amazing just to have that. We didn't have anybody, ahead of us. There was no blueprint for Somali girls wanting to be in the mainstream.
Being women was a big factor for us because it was if there was other male artists, but it was us being women and stepping out. Women are not, encouraged to express themselves creatively. So us singing, especially in English, it was just what is this? So it was a huge backlash. But I appreciate how it all went down because I think it made us really these powerful warriors. Once we were really appreciative of this platform we had, we were just okay, look what's going on with our people. The plight of our people is still so dire, and then we started just doing our own research. And at the time, the world's largest refugee camp was in Kenya, and it was mainly Somali people, and nobody was talking about it. So we actually just wrote an email to the UN, and they were just so responsive. And from there, the partnership started.
I think it was just important for us to be advocates so other Somali girls or other girls that were struggling culturally and, religiously just within themselves to see another example, another way that things could happen. Because I just knew how confused we were when we didn't really see anybody like us.
Yeah, so you had to basically pioneer your own way through this.
Mm-hmm.
So, yeah.
Yeah.